Hello everyone, welcome back to Maris Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete unused recovery and UEFI partitions from your hard drive to clear up unused space and remove unnecessary extra partitions. So, let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Disk Management. You will see an option called Create and Format Disk Partitions. Click on it. Now you can see that I have two hard drives in my system. Disk 0 is my old hard drive, and it contains several old and unused recovery and UEFI partitions. So let's delete them one by one. As you can see, I am unable to delete these partitions from here. Therefore, we need to delete them using Command Prompt with administrator access. To do that, open the Start menu, type CMD, and run it as administrator. Now type DiskPart and press Enter. You can see that the terminal has now switched to DiskPart mode. Next, type List Disk to see the number of disks connected to your computer. In my case, I have 2 disks. Now select the disk from which you want to delete partitions. In my case, it is Disk 0. So type Select Disk 0. Then type List Partition to see all the partitions on your hard disk. In my case, I will delete all partitions except partition 7 and partition 8. Please make sure you do not select any partition that contains important data. In my case, partition 7 and 8 contain important data, so I will not delete them. Now that we know the partition numbers, type Select Partition followed by the partition number. For example, I will start with partition 1. Type Select Partition 1, then press Enter. After that, type Delete Partition Override. Your partition will be deleted. Now I need to delete the remaining partitions, so I will repeat the same 2 commands. For example, select Partition 2, press Enter, then type Delete Partition Override. That's it. Now you can see that I have about 80 gigabytes of unallocated space, which came from one main partition and several smaller recovery and UEFI partitions. As you can see, my hard drive is now clean and free from unused partitions. Now I will go back to Disk Management and create a new partition from this 80 gigabytes of unallocated space. I will install Linux Mint on this partition so that my computer can run both Windows and Linux. See you in the next tutorial, where I will show you how to install Linux Mint. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Maris Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.